Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Maxify GX2050 GX2000 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the network. I'm also going to show you how to reset the printer to factory default setting. So we want to reset the network first. If you look on the mobile phone, the printer is currently online. This printer and mobile device both are connected together via Wi-Fi network and using Canon Print app. We want to reset the network first. What you need to do is to reset the network. If there's any problem or you are having a problem with the network, you can reset the network. What you need to do is you need to go to the settings, select the gear icon, then select printer settings, scroll down all the way to select reset settings. It will ask you to select particular settings you want to reset. We want to reset LAN settings only. Reset settings, yes or no. Then you select yes. Processing, please wait momentarily. Is actually completed. Completed the following: reset settings, LAN settings only. Then you select OK. If you go back to the home page, if you look on the Wi-Fi icon, you will see that the Wi-Fi is cancelled. So this printer is no longer connected to network. And also if you look on the mobile device, it's showing us that the printer is offline. So this is how to reset the network only. Now we're going to reset the network completely. So now I want to show you how to reset the printer completely, how to restore factory default settings. You can see that the printer is online. If you go to the settings, go to printers settings, scroll down to settings, reset settings. So if you want to reset only the web service, you select web service setup only, or LAN settings only, or telephone number only, settings only, fast settings, reset all. So we want to reset all. And also bear in mind, if you select reset all the information, the Wi-Fi password, admin, all the information you put on the printer will be reset, will be deleted, so that you can reconnect the printer. So select reset all. All fast documents in memory will be deleted. Then you select OK. Reset settings, yes or no. Then you select yes. Processing. Please wait momentarily. You can see that it's gone off. GX2000 series is offline, so it's no longer online. So you need to reconnect it. If you want to connect the printer again, you need to reconnect it to a network, but you need to wait for the process to complete. Completed the following: reset settings, reset all. Then you select OK. Fast setting has been reset. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. If you go back to the home page, you will see that the Wi-Fi is cancelled and LANs is cancelled. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting or reset all the settings. Thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you. You need to reconnect the printer again to connect it to Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much indeed.